So clothes for the departing day, money and stuff like this, notebooks, pencils, tissues, camera equipment, and charger and batteries and stuff like this. T-shirts, I'm not sure I'm going to take all of them. Underwear, socks, pants and leggings to put under the pants. Bathroom stuff with like little emergency kit. Cap, a bag to store my thing at the backpacker hotel. Light sweater so I can wear several of them if I want. Waterproof jacket, my bag, and information. It's just like this, and leave your clothes to dry. Okay, so I'm actually taking one because I just have enough room for 3 t-shirts, no more, so I'm leaving those here. All my bathroom essentials are stored in this little waterproof bag. It's very thin, so it's not taking as much room as like a bathroom bag. For now I have more videos to edit so that they will be online when I will be in Amsterdam. So I hope you are having a good day and see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!